What's up, guys? Back with another video. This is gonna be a New Year's Eve POV drive. M3 front bumper, GT4 style front lip, top mount, single turbo. You guys seen enough of that. Let's go for this drive. Take it easy. Take it easy. Damn. I want to need gas soon. Yeah, the car's different. The car's different. That's all I gotta say. The car's different. And I like it. Tell me how y'all like it and comment down below what y'all think of it. Man, it sounds so much better. It seems faster. I don't know. I do not. Hey. Oh my gosh, we created a beast. We created a beast. Oh my gosh. No, like, not even joking, guys. Like, oh my, I love driving this car now. I love driving the car now. I'm not even joking with you guys. Downshift. I want to get this little back. Hold on. Or two-step, anti-lag. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow. The last time we drove the car was raining too, so I wasn't really able to get on it. So this is like I said, this is the first official POV drive, and it's New Year's Eve. What better way to come into the new year with a new setup, new build? Man. Oh my gosh. She's a beast now. She is a beast now. There's a stop sign up here. We're gonna take off. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show you what we're really messing with. I'm gonna show y'all. Damn. Are we really gonna take off for real though? Hold on. Watch it. Anti-lag, two-step, well, I don't know what you call it, whatever. Whoa. Whoa, what did, I gotta redo that, something happened, hold on. Smash off. Oh gosh, guys. Oh, you guys seen it? At least y'all seen it. I had to let out on that one. Damn. Car feels a lot faster too, and it's on low boost right now. It's on 14 pounds. Like, this thing I usually have it turned up to like, let me see how much boost we're making. Way faster than that right now. I don't know if it's because of the new top mount kit or what, but car feels a lot faster. I don't know where I'm at. Really don't. Will y'all hear that though? Quick little scrub. Oh my God, right there. Oh my God, right there. Man, and like I said, it's on low boost right now. Imagine when she's turned up, man. Imagine when she turned up, man. She finna feel, woo-wee. We finna turn it up soon too, honestly. Look at that. That's a big ass bird. Car sounds so much better. Does it scrub or what? I ain't gonna lie, I got scared on that one. I came out of it Happy New Year's to everybody. Stay safe. You know. We're gonna go this way. Stay safe, everybody. Happy New Year's to everybody. We're gonna come into the new year strong, 2024, man. Hey, I'm wishing everybody 2024 blessings and a lot of prosperity, because 2024, man, that's our level up. That's our level up, like in 2024, man. I'm claiming it right now. Manifest that mother right there. But hey, car is running excellent. So until next time, boys and girls, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, thumbs up, all the YouTube stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.